I'm going to show you how to send music in Instagram messages. So let's go to the Instagram, and then let's go to our messages at the bottom of the screen and go ahead and click on a chat that you want to send a song in. So from here, kind of like you would with a post or a story, you would want to add stickers to add certain attachments to a story. We could do that here. So go ahead and click the sticker icon at the bottom right hand corner here. And let's X out of this little add stickers everywhere notification here. And you just want to click on music. So from here, just like you would with a post or a story, you could search any song that you want. So once you have the song chosen, go ahead and click on the song, and then it will automatically send, and now that person was sent a message, and it was the song that you just chose. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and send music in your Instagram messages. You can send as many as you want, just as long as you find that sticker icon and do it through that way.